Hey, I'm Michael, product manager for cases at Corsair, and at CES 2018 we're showing off some new cases here. In front of me I have SPEC Omega, which is our update to the SPEC Alpha series. So not only have we updated the outside, but we also updated the inside. So with the outside, you have your new dramatic LED light bar, front tempered glass piece, side tempered glass piece, but still the same color block and asymmetrical design that we have from the SPEC Alpha. There's 3 varieties of it, a red one, a white one, and then a black one. Each of them come with one LED fan in the front and a 120mm black fan in the rear. With the internals though, we've updated those as well, so it can fit up to a 360 or a 280mm radiator in the front, 240mm radiator in the top, or a 120mm radiator in the rear. The standard storage configuration for this case is 2 3.5-inch drives and 3 2.5-inch drives. So with the front tempered glass and LED bar, we also have our front I/O here. So it features 2 USB 3.0s in addition to a headphone and microphone jack. In terms of availability, these are available now. Each one of them costs $99 MSRP for US dollars.